If your Adobe Premiere Pro is running slow, lagging, crashing, or taking too long to load projects, a bloated media cache is usually the problem. Clearing it and setting limits can instantly improve performance. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro. At the top, click Edit, then go to Preferences and select Media Cache. Give it a second for the window to load. Click Delete under Media Cache Files. Choose Delete All Media Cache Files, then Confirm. This safely removes unused cache files. Now, to prevent this problem in the future, stay on this same screen. Enable Automatically Delete Cache Files Older Than and set it to 30 days. Next, enable Maximum Media Cache Size and set it to 10 to 50 gigabytes depending on your available storage. Click OK to save everything. That's it. Your cache is cleared, Premiere Pro should run smoother, and it will now clean itself automatically. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.